I state your name, Danji F. Dueñas, do solemnly swear that I will uphold the honor of my alma mater, the Cebu Technological University main campus. I promise to cherish the dignity of labor and to go faithfully about my duties with industry, perseverance, and honesty as my guide throughout my whole life. I promise to dedicate my skills, knowledge, and abilities, which I have acquired for the betterment of my own self, for the welfare of my family, and for the service of my country. So help me God.
Although today's ceremony marks the end of one journey, it also signifies the beginning of another as members of the CPU Alumni Association. To formally welcome our graduates into the alumni community, may we call on Mr. Daniel M. Sanchez, President of the CPU Main Alumni Association.
For the induction, allow me first to extend my warm, heartfelt congratulations to all the new graduates. Today ends your being students. You are now officially called alumni of the Cebu Technological University. Congratulations. And so, to make the oath, I request everybody to signify with pride and dignity and pronounce your oath of induction to the Alumni Association. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, your name, a graduate of for the academic year 2025-2026, do solemnly swear to uphold the principles and tenets of the Cebu Technological University main campus, and to participate actively to the affairs of the Alumni Association of the University. So help me God. Congratulations, my fellow alumni.
Thank you so much once again, Sir Daniel A. Sanchez, the President of CP Alumni, and congratulations to all of you. At this time, graduates, you will now have to sing your graduation song, and it is dedicated to your families, mentors, and loved ones. And in combination, you will have Dazzle Solidarity Dance. You want to guess the title of dance? Wala nyo.